Beans make you free from diabetes. Beans are a rich source of protein. 1 cup of beans contain about 16 grams of protein that equal to 2 ounces of chicken. Beans are best for diabetes because they are loaded with all important fiber which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugars in your bloodstream, assists your body insulin response to glucose, and helps you burn fat faster. They will limit the spikes in glucose levels after meals. A research found that people with type 2 diabetes were able to reduce insulin use up to 38% by eating beans. Edible beans include kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans, cannellini beans, soya beans, and lentils. Diabetics can add beans into their regular diet by preparing different types of recipes. People who worrying with digestion problem or any gas problem can also eat beans by soaking it overnight in water. If you soak dry beans, discard the water and cook in fresh water. With canned beans, discard the canned water and rinse them. Here are some easy ways to add beans to your diet. Add them to soups or casseroles. Snack on fresh veggies and a bean dip. Add fat-free refined beans to your lunch or dinner. Choose vegetarian baked beans for a side dish. Remember, a healthy balanced diet is very important if you have diabetes. Proper nutrition helps you control sudden changes in your blood sugar. Beans are only one part of this nutrition plan. Ask your doctor or nutritionist about the diet best suited for your overall health. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.